Just applied for citizenship with the DUI, misdemeanor 2009, before I received the green card. Will I be okay? Okay. If they don't pass the HR, what is the 856? I forgot the number, 875. If they don't pass that new law, you should be okay. Now, Audrey, there have been a lot of comments and questions about whether it is or isn't retroactive, the law, any law that could pass. Okay, this is completely up to Congress and how they write the law. It's also up to whether it's legal for them to pass the law. In general, the Supreme Court doesn't like it when, especially immigration laws, are applied retroactively, because it's unfair for a person to make decisions on whether they will plead or won't plead to a specific type of crime if they've been told and they've been promised that it's not going to affect their green card or their citizenship. Okay, so in the past, usually that doesn't hold up to Supreme Court scrutiny if they do make it retroactive, but it also depends on what happens with what's written exactly in the law, okay, about the legislative intent, and it also depends, will it pass Supreme Court scrutiny? Because most likely it would be litigation if it was filed, okay? But otherwise, you should be fine if there's no change to that law, Audrey. That's your only crime, right? But since your interview hasn't happened, Audrey, I would recommend that you talk to an attorney, because if it happened, within 5 years of getting your green card, sometimes they could say that that's a crime involving moral turpitude. I don't expect that to happen if it's the only crime, but it would be still a great idea to bring your documents about that case to an attorney to prepare you if you did file the case on your own and you're planning to attend the interview on your own, just to get a second opinion and to give you some confidence before you go into that interview.